Hey guys, it's Erica here. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily embed your Jodoo forms into any website, including WordPress, using iframe. Let's dive right in. Once you've finished your form and are ready to add it to your page, go to the Publish page. Under the To All tab, enable the Form Fill link. Click on Advanced, go to Embed Link, and copy the reference code. This is a sample iframe code to help you embed your forms to sites. Now, let's hop over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, and edit your page. Hit the plus icon, and add a custom HTML block. Paste the reference code you copied earlier. To make it work on WordPress, simply locate the position absolute in the code and delete it. You can click Preview to see how the iframe works. From here, you can just move ahead and publish your form, or go a bit further to polish your forms. You can tweak the iframe code to change how the form appears on your site. For example, the width or height attributes can be modified to resize the embedded frame. Add the frame border attribute to eliminate the default border around the iframe for a clearer look. You can even add CSS properties to control the appearance of the frame, like adding the margin and padding to adjust the spacing around the iframe. And much more, up to you. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your page in WordPress to make your changes live. And that's it! You've successfully embedded your Jodoo form into your WordPress site. Thanks so much for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. This is Erica, see you in the next video.